Hi, this is Ram, and welcome to the Monk Who Rides. I'm with Freya again today. Today, this is my first part of a DIY series, which I intend to bring to you. In the first series, I plan to show you a way to adjust the gear lever shifting. Typically, what happens is as you ride, your gear lever shifting gets harder, or the whole gear shifting gets harder, and there are different ways to address them. And it requires just the one 10 mm spanner, and you should be able to manage. Let's get started. That's the gear shifter, or sometimes also called as the gear shift lever. The rod that connects to the gear shift lever is the one that houses those nuts, which we will loosen to adjust the position of the lever. There's another nut here which we will not loosen, that's also used to adjust the position. Now, typically when it comes from the factory, the gear shift lever or the gear lever is straight, while I like it lowered, because it's easier for me, and I apply lesser pressure when I want to put them in the top gear. The position of the gear lever is purely based on your comfort. Some people wear riding shoes, which makes it sometimes difficult to go below the lever and lift. Hence, please wear the right shoe, sit on the bike, understand the right position, and then get this setting done. So what we're going to do today is we're going to loosen this nut here and the one here, right? These are the two that we are going to loosen today. Can be opened with a 10 mm default spanner that comes along with your Royal Enfield tool set. There are other ways too. Like I said, you can also loosen this nut here, but we're not going to do that. We would rather retain it as is. So I'm going to quickly open this. You may require, based on the state of the nut, you may require to hold this with a 10 mm spanner, and then loosen this, and then loosen this. What I also do is I typically spray a round of WD-40 so that this loosens up both these nuts. This one is clockwise. The way you look at it, if you look at it from here, you're actually doing this clockwise, while the other one is anti-clockwise. If you look at it from here, then I'm actually doing it anti-clockwise. So this one from here is clockwise, and this one from here is anti-clockwise. Yeah. I've got both these nuts away from their position, both these. What I'm going to do now is you need to rotate this. If you rotate this anti-clockwise, the lever will go down, and if you rotate this clockwise, the lever will come up. And I'll quickly show you how it works. So you may want to hold one part of the nut and then go anti-clockwise and this, and then you'll see. So if you look at it now, this one was straight, now it's actually coming down. So I typically get it here. This is the position that I like when I go for my rides, and then I keep adjusting. You can play around with this. You may need a little bit of loosening up of these nuts, and you may need to hold this when you move this one. Just keep that in mind, and the rest should be fine. And once you're done with setting this right, you tighten these and this, and you should be fine. Thank you for watching me. Ride safe, keep your bike clean, and live to ride. Thank you very much. See you soon.